Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper. Today I've got days 21 through 30 of my 100 artist trading coins to share with you. This first one is a combination of Distress Inks and Dylusions ink sprays. The ink sprays are the more saturated pink in the background. And then I just layered a couple of butterfly dies from Sizzix, and I used the handle of a clock hand as the body for that one. This one is a jelly print. I really love how this came out with those golden rays showing in her face. And the stamp is from Paper Artsy. Here's one that has texture paste. After I let it dry overnight, I used Tim Holtz's Distress crayons to color in on the cracks as well as in the word charm. Here's a simple one. This is Distress Inks and a collage stamp. A little bit of stenciling in the background. This one is Dylusions paints with a sentiment that I stamped with black ink and then embossed with clear powder. This one is Distress Inks. This one is a combination of, this is a Sizzix die, the heart shape, and then some corrugated cardboard and a little cardboard or chipboard circle that I had. And it's colored with paint and archival ink, as well as the embossing powder I already mentioned, and some Dylusions ink sprays. This one was really simple. It's Tim's Botanical Collage paper, and I just colored it with Distress Inks. Here's another one with Dylusions paint and embossing. And then this last one in this group is a little mini collage with some of his collage bits and Distress Inks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed these. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. There's 2 that came before, and there'll be 7 more that follow as time goes by in this 100-day project.